Cows have 4 stomach compartments to help digest. Bear. Bears have an excellent sense of smell. Lion. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers, 5 miles away. Rooster. Roosters crow to greet the morning. Horse. Horses can sleep while standing up. Monkey. Monkeys use their tails to help with balance. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. Donkey. Donkeys have excellent memory. Pig. Pigs are among the smartest farm animals. Wolf. Wolves live and hunt together in packs. Tiger. Every tiger has a unique stripe pattern. Chicken. Chickens can remember over 100 different faces. Sheep. Sheep can recognize familiar faces for years. Rhinoceros. Rhinos use their horns to protect themselves. Goat. Goats are excellent climbers. Zebra. Every zebra has a unique pattern of stripes. Duck. Ducks have waterproof feathers. Giraffe. Giraffes have tongues that can be up to 45 centimeters, 18 inches long.